to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. So let's start. Well, I will share to you some tips that can help you to fix it. The first one is delete all the cache from the app. Just keep press the icon for Telegram, then let's go to app info, and here will appear options. So just scroll down and let's go to the option that says clear all data. Just click here and then just clear cache, and then try to open again Telegram. Another tip that I can give you is try to download a VPN, a different that the one that you have. In this case, I have one from USA, and then I can use it. When you use the VPN, connect to your device, and then try to start using Telegram once again. And the last tip is contact directly the support on Telegram. What you can do, let's go to Google Chrome, and here on Google Chrome, let's write Telegram support. Let's go to the first option. Here you write your problem, and then just write your full legal name, your email, and phone number. Of course, in your description, you can write that you have problems to log in your account and you wanna try again, etc., or there is an error. So then submit, and the support on Telegram will contact you to fix the problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.